Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Now I'll show you how to set up free VPN on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. So open Play Store and find here Turbo VPN. Open it and install. Open. Okay, now I have to tell you that a free VPN is not too safe to work with or view banned content, because free VPN doesn't protect your private data. So choose Start Now, choose Cross on right corner of this banner, wait a while, and cool. In the top right corner of the screen there is a globe. By clicking on it you can choose which country to connect to. For example, choose United Kingdom and London. Choose OK. Wait a while and fine. In notifications panel, we will see a key and rabbit, and that means that we are already connected to the United Kingdom VPN. Cool. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you. Goodbye.